Alrighty guys, so now it's time for me to do my walk back to let you guys know what my picks are for the week. Number one is this plush faux fur area rug for $50, guys. It is a 48 by 72. It is so soft and I absolutely love that. Great find. Hi kings and queens. Today is Wednesday and I'm here at Aldi to look at all of their new finds. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Spice jars with bamboo lid, they're only $6.99, guys. And these jars are 4 ounces each. They're really nice weight on these as well. And here we have the bamboo pantry bins for $9.99. Here are some ways you can use them. A lot of bamboo this week and I'm just loving it. So here we have bamboo pantry organizers for $9.99. So we have this one and that one. Yes, this is a Lazy Susan here. Okay, these single large bins, they are $12.99, and then you can get a 2-pack of the medium airtight bins for $12.99. Plastic pantry containers with the sleeve, they're $6.99. Not a bad deal, guys. I love these beautiful colors. Oh yes, really nice. So you get 2 of these or you get 1 large one. Really pretty. I love that green. That one is speaking to me today. Yeah. So here we have bamboo tower or caddy for $25. This is the caddy here. And this is the tower. Of course, the drawers come out on this one. The wood feels really smooth. Okay, we also have the bamboo towel rack for $12.99. This is really cute, guys. Really cute and different, right? You can store your items up here and put your towel down there. Not a bad one. Okay, right here are the bathroom set rugs. They're $14.99. They come in gray and cream so far. Here we have the hot air brushes for $19.99. To the left is going to be the wooden hair brushes for $2.99. Okay, so they have the paddle brush, the bristle brush, the detangle brush, and the round bore brush. We like options, only $2.99. Here are the oversized luxury bath towels for $9. All these beautiful colors. Feels really nice. 2-pack luxury bath towels set for $12.99. Yes, so they come in gray, brown, and white. Imperfect oblong wood bowl for $15. They have it in 3 different colors, which is going to be this natural wood color, black, and brown. Let's see if I could get, I can get one out. It's really long. For $15, guys, not a bad deal. Motion sensing LED light for $5. What a steal on this one. Oh my goodness. I like this motion sensor. Bamboo canister set, $9.99. You can use this for whatever you want. They're using it in the bathroom. Yes, so I like that. And then they have the electric soap dispenser for $12.99. 3 different colors. And then the little cute white waste basket. It is $9.99, as well as the toilet brush. So cute, huh? Okay. The Power Oral Care Kit is $7.99. $7.99. Oh my goodness. The Queen or King heated blanket for $50. I see blue and I see gray. So let's see what it says. There's a limited warranty of 5 years. There's 10 heat settings, a 10-hour auto shut off, and it's machine washable. This is the deluxe quilted heated mattress pad for $50. Oh my goodness, a mattress pad. Oh, I know that feels so good. So yes, this one also have 10 heat settings, 10-hour auto shut off, fits mattresses up to 22 inches, machine washable, ultra thin wire for added comfort. Dual digital controllers for $50. Not a bad deal. So here we have the velvet plush Sherpa throw, and they're $10. We have them in this one, this gray, that green, there's black, and then there's a cream right there. Yes, heated throw digital controller for $25. And they have this one in this color, this one. Yes, those are the colors that I see so far. Now up here are the ladies Sherpa fleece pullovers for $13. Another great find. You can't get this deal at Walmart, guys, but Walmart prices are just, they're out of control on their clothing. But yes, this one here is $12.99. The ladies joggers, they are $12. Size small through XXL. So that's small, medium, large, extra large, and XXL. So they have it in this beautiful gray, blue, burgundy, or plum. Okay, nice colors. The men's slippers come in size 10 through 13. They're $6.99. Nice little Christmas gift, guys. If you're thinking about stocking up for Christmas or starting early, I think these are great little deals, great little items here. So they have this one, this one, this one. Yeah, I think those are the only 3 patterns that they have, but these are really nice. These are really nice for $6.99. And then we have the men's warm line clogs for $8.99. Yes. They also have the ladies. So the men's size come in 9/10, 11/12, and then the ladies size come in 7/8 and 9/10. Yes. So they have these, the purple, the gray, and blue. Now here we have a reversible comforter set for $30. Really, really nice. It is a 3-piece set, the comforter and 2 shams. And you also have the velvet plush sheet set for $30. They have a queen here today. You have a king. Oh yes, you hardly ever see a king in here, but yeah, they have a king and a queen today here at Aldi for $30. Cream, gray, black and white. And then they have that brown and white right there. Men's reversible casual belts. They're $9. Okay, so they have a black one, brown, and a more like cognac brown. $8.99. The men's sleep pants, they are $9. Size small through extra large. The children's 6-pack no-show ankle or crew socks for $49. By Lily and Dan. Okay. And we have the toddler's 6-pack socks for $3.99. Oh, these are cute. Oh, yes. We also have the children's warm line clogs for $6.99. Oh, look at these, so cute. Have the glitter on them. And they have the green. And this, ooh, look at this one. It's blue and yellow. Oh, and pink. How cute. Then they have the solid blue. And here are the sizes. Okay. So here are the double draft seal for $6.99. This is the time to buy these, guys. Oh, yes. Keep that draft out, keep your bill down. So yeah, great deal for this here, $7. And right here are the 4-tier accessory shelf for $14.99. Halloween, they are $7.99. Right here. And this one, oh, look at the blinking eye. This one says boo. And let's see. Oh, they feel so good. So, so soft. Yeah, great deal. The 6-gallon wet dry vacuum for only $39.99. Another great deal here. Heater, it is a 360 surround portable heater for $19.99. 2 heat settings and fan only. Adjustable thermostat and overheat protection. It comes in black and it comes in white. Another weather strip seal or door bottom seal. I'm not sure about the price on this one, but yes, they have these as well. Oh yes. If you don't seal your house up, guys, I'm telling you, you are just throwing away money on your electric bill. 14-inch blade, no tools, chain adjustment. Yeah, Oregon bar and chain. Foldable work table. It is $20. The max weight on this one is 330 pounds. We have the multi-purpose dolly for only $15. Yes, it is small and easy to store, guys, for $15. Another great find. And then we have the corner garment rack here for $15. Yes, isn't it nice? Then we have the, what are these, the felt baskets, felt hampers. Yes, they have it in the light gray and the dark gray with the black handle or the gray handle for, let's see, for $10. And then they have the plush faux fur area rug. It is a 48 by 72 for $50. Oh yes, aren't these beautiful? Oh, they feel so good, guys. Oh yes. So they have it in cream, gray, dark gray, and then this tan gray color for $50, guys. I love this. Alrighty, guys, so now it's time for me to do my walk back to let you guys know what my picks are for the week. Number one is this plush faux fur area rug for $50, guys. It is a 48 by 72. It is so soft, and I absolutely love that. Great, 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 great find. I love this corner garment rack for $15. Oh my goodness. They have a lot of great finds this week, guys. This foldable work table for $20. This dolly for $15. It is a find that you definitely don't need to pass up. This portable heater for $20. Yes. I love this velvet plush sheet set for $30. The 3-piece reversible comforter set for $30. I love that. I love the micro plush heated throw for $25. The heated mattress pad for $50. Yes. The loofah anti-slip bath mat for $6. The heated blanket, guys, for $50. Yes. I love all of the bamboo items this week. The bamboo towel rack, it is $13. Love that. I love the bamboo towel or caddy for $25. Yes, I love all of the canisters and bins. Yes. The Lazy Susan and the pantry organizers. All of this. Love all of this. Yes, guys. $6.99, $9.99. Yes, and $12.99. Love, love, love these. So yeah, such great items for this week, guys. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you see something that you want to come and pick up, and I hope this video helps you with your choice making. So thank you again. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.